Have you ever wished you could manage all of your finances in one place? If so, then Flinks is the perfect solution for you. Flinks is a financial technology company that allows you to connect your bank accounts to a variety of apps and services. This can be a great way to save time and money, as you can manage your finances all in one place. Some of the benefits of using Flinks include saving time. You can manage all of your finances in one place, instead of having to log into multiple apps and websites. Saving money. You can get access to exclusive discounts and offers from Flinks partners. Improving your financial health. Flinks can help you track your spending and budgeting, and it can also provide you with insights into your financial habits. Now that we know what Flinks is and what it can do for you, let's get started on how to link your bank account to Flinks. Step 1. Download the Flinks app. The first step is to download the Flinks app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Create an account. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to create an account. You can do this by entering your email address and password. Step 3. Add a bank account. After you have created an account, you will need to add a bank account. To do this, click on the Add a Bank Account button. Step 4. Select your bank. You will then be asked to select your bank from a list of banks. Step 5. Enter your login credentials. Once you have selected your bank, you will need to enter your login credentials. This is the same username and password that you use to log into your online banking account. Step 6. Verify your account. After you have entered your login credentials, Flinks will verify your account. This process may take a few minutes. Step 7. Start using Flinks. Once your account is verified, you can start using Flinks. You can now view your transactions, track your spending, and set budgets. Benefits of using Flinks. Now that you know how to link your bank account to Flinks, let's discuss some of the benefits of using Flinks. Saving time. One of the biggest benefits of using Flinks is that it can save you a lot of time. You can manage all of your finances in one place, instead of having to log into multiple apps and websites. Saving money. Flinks can also help you save money. You can get access to exclusive discounts and offers from Flinks partners. Improving your financial health. Flinks can help you track your spending and budgeting, and it can also provide you with insights into your financial habits. I hope this video has helped you learn how to link your bank account to Flinks. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.